Hello everyone, myself Shanaz and I welcome you all to my wonderful world of education system, that is MTC-Mustafa Tuition Center. As you all can see, you all might be thinking, is there a cooking class at MTC today? No, it is not. This is my small chemistry lab. Okay, so I planned an activity, a small chemistry class for the students today. Today is Sunday, a holiday, but still I called them for 1 hour for the class. Hello kids.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
Fine, teacher.
So you all are excited for the activity class chemistry?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to take an important topic of chemistry today. Okay, theoretically it has been explained many times, but I thought if I explain it in this way, okay, you will understand it better and you will remember it for a long time. Okay, so when you learn chemistry, biology, I mean whatever the topics, okay, so when you learn it this way actively, you will understand it better, you will remember it for a long time, and also you'll be able to explain it to the others. Okay, so that is my main aim. Okay, and I love to explain this way. Fine, provided we have to get the time, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine. So let's start. So this is, you can think that it is our small chemistry lab.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine, this table. Okay, see what all things we have. Okay, you can see here, I'll explain you one by one all these things we have. So our topic today is regarding the solubility. Okay, solubility, say solubility. Yeah, it is a part of the topic sorting out materials, which is there in 6th standard, I think 4th chapter. Yeah, okay, so it is there in CBSE syllabus as well as SSC syllabus. Okay, so this topic you will start listening solubility. Okay, solute, solvent, solution, this words, these terms you will come across from 4th or 5th standard. Okay, it will be there in 4th, it will be there in 5th, it will be there in 6th and 7th, and it will keep on repeating. Fine, so you should be very much familiar and understand these terms well. Fine kids. Okay, so what is a solute, what is a solvent, how a solution is formed. Fine, okay, what are the different types of solution, what is the difference between a solute and a solvent. Okay, so I'll explain all that to you with the help of this activity. Fine, so you're ready?
Yes,
so let's start our small experiment at MTC.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
so let's start. Okay, now see here, here we have water. This is universal solvent. Okay, and here I collected some of the solutes. Okay, so first coming to solute. Okay, you will come across 3 main terms: solute,
Solute.
solvent,
Solvent.
solution.
Solution.
Solute,
Solute.
solvent,
Solvent.
solution.
Solution.
What is a solute? Solute is a substance that is to be dissolved, that you are going to dissolve, that you are going to dissolve. Okay, so solute is a substance that you are going to dissolve, and solvent is a substance which is responsible for dissolving the solute. Okay, solvent is a substance which is dissolving the solute. Okay, and solute is a substance which you are going to dissolve it. Okay, fine, you are with me, Devi Prasanna? Okay, so solute is a substance which you are going to dissolve. Yes, and solvent is a substance that is dissolving the solute, and this solute plus solvent will form the solution. Will form what?
Solution.
So what is solution? Solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Yes, so solution is nothing but, if you want to define it, solution is nothing but it's a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more solutes and solvents. Okay, solvent will be usually 1, solutes can be 2 or 3. Okay, understood kids? Fine, so let me explain you in this way. Now you see here, okay, so we have 4 glasses here. Okay, you hold it? Yeah, I'll explain. Yeah. Careful. Okay, fine. Now you see here, we'll take this. This is what? Water. Water is the universal solvent. Water is universal solvent. See, now we add little water. Okay, I add little water to all the glasses. Fine. Okay. Water is called the universal solvent because it can dissolve almost anything. Yes, it can dissolve almost anything. Fine, water is a universal solvent. Okay kids, now what is this?
Salt.
What is this?
Salt.
This is solute. This is what?
Solute.
Now you take little salt. Okay, you add it in the water and then mix it. Mix it. You can take it from the side here. Down like that. Yeah. Mix it. Mix. Stir it. Yeah. Yes. Now you see here. Where is the salt? Disappeared. Where is the salt?
Disappeared.
Some magic happened?
No.
Some magic happened? No. Solute. See, this salt is a solute.
Solute.
Okay, and water was the solvent.
Solvent.
When you add solute to the solvent and you mixed it, it got dissolved in it. And you got what? Salt water.
Salt water.
This is the solution. Now, what is this? Salt
water.
Salt water. This is solution. This is
Solution.
What all are there in this? In this, salt is there,
Salt.
which is solute, and water is there, which is solvent. Okay, so solute plus solvent gave you salt water, which is solution.
Solution.
Understood? It is homogeneous mixture. See, can you see any particles of salt in this?
No.
Can you see any particles of salt? No. Completely dissolved. Yes, it has uniformly dissolved. Homogeneous mixture. Anything you can see? Solid particles anywhere? Salt particles anywhere? No. Completely dissolved. So this is homogeneous mixture. Understood, kids? Fine. So this is solute. Now see here, one more. Okay. Now what is this?
Sugar.
Sugar. And what is there in the glass here?
Water.
Water. So I am adding sugar to the water. Mix, stir it, stir it. It will take little time because sugar crystals, right? This was in the form of powder, but this was crystals. So we stir it. Water is called the universal solvent because it is polar and it attracts the other substances. It can dissolve almost anything. Water can dissolve almost
Anything.
Yeah, it can dissolve almost everything. So that's the reason water is called the universal solvent. हाँ, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा उसके अंदर. पानी में सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? Almost everything. Fine. You have to mix it for a little longer time because they were crystals, right? Sugar crystals. Okay. So when you mix it like this, and even if you allow it to stand it or allow it to stand it also for some time, you will see that now you can see what you can see. The sugar crystals have disappeared. Yes, the sugar crystals have disappeared. So where is the sugar gone? Some magic happened? No. The sugar got dissolved in the water. Yes, the sugar got dissolved in the water. So see here, the sugar got almost dissolved in the water. Yes, see. You can see any sugar crystals?
No.
It got completely dissolved. So this is homogeneous mixture. This is what now? Sugar solution.
Sugar solution.
See, this is salt solution, sugar solution. Yes, this is also a solution. This is also a solution. Salt solution, sugar solution. Okay, understood? Solute and solvent combination. Fine. Now next you see here. What we'll say? Okay, I'll take this one. What is this?
Tea powder.
Tea powder. Yes. Okay. Let me take some tea powder and let me mix it. Yes. Mix, 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 mix. Yeah. So what you can see? Did it get dissolved?
No.
Even if you stir it like this for 1 hour,
It will not
even if
be.
you stir it like this for 1 hour, will it dissolve?
No.
You will still see like this. Maybe the water color may change. It may give some color to the water, tea color, but
It will
the
not.
solute will be like this. It will settle down. Yes, it will not get mixed. Why? Because it is insoluble in water. Insoluble in water. Okay, so you understood what are soluble substances and insoluble substances?
Yes,
So
teacher.
see here, salt and sugar.
Sugar.
These are soluble substances. Now see, salt is a solute. Okay, and water was the solvent. You added salt to the water and mixed it. You got salt water. And you cannot see salt here. It got completely dissolved. That means salt is a soluble substance. Salt is
Soluble
soluble
substance.
substance. Now see here, this is sugar. This was water. You mixed sugar and water. You got sugar
water.
Okay, completely dissolved. You can see anything?
No.
Because sugar is a soluble
Solvent.
substance. Understood? So the solute which gets completely dissolved in the solvent, which you cannot see after mixing, that is soluble substance. What it is?
Soluble substance.
Now this tea powder is also a solute. Water was the solvent. You mixed it, but it did not get dissolved. See, it did not get dissolved. It is as it is. So this is what? Insoluble substance. Did you understand? That means it does not get dissolved in the water. Insoluble substance. What it is?
Insoluble substance.
Solute can be, now when it comes to solute can be solid, solute can be liquid, solute can be gas also. You understood what is a solute now? The substance that you are going to dissolve. Okay, so solute can be solid. Now see, these are all solids. Okay, now solute can be liquid also. See, this is lemon juice. Yes, okay. So now this I am going to mix in the solvent and mix it. Can you see anything?
No, teacher. Yes.
It got dissolved, right? Almost. Yes. So this is lemon water. What it is?
Lemon water.
Lemon water, which got dissolved. Yes. So it is soluble. Okay. So this liquid is soluble. Fine. So this was soluble in the water. Lemon juice was soluble in the water. So did you understand, kids?
Yes.
Okay. See, this is soluble in the water. Okay. Fine. Then now I need to throw something. So here you need to, because I don't have more glasses. Okay. So you understood, kids? Solute, solvent. And when you mix both, you will get solution. Okay. So if it is, this is homogeneous mixture. This is homogeneous mixture. And this is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous,
Heterogeneous.
What is homo? What is hetero? Homo means same, uniform. Okay, hetero means different. See here, this mixture, what you see, can you differentiate anything in that?
No,
it looks same. Yes, nothing different here. But this mixture you see, you can see the powder and you can see the water, you can separate it. Yes or no? Yes, so this is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. This is homogeneous. This is soluble and this one was insoluble. Understood, kids?
Yes, teacher.
So, if it is dissolving completely and forming a homogeneous mixture, it is soluble in water. Soluble substance. And if it is not dissolving completely and forming a heterogeneous mixture like this, then it is insoluble in water. Or you can say insoluble substance. Understood, kids? What are soluble substances and what are insoluble substances? Okay. Now this solute can be solid, solute can be liquid also. Now this is also a solute. Okay, this is, what is this? Cooking oil.
Yes, teacher.
What it is? Cooking oil. Okay, this is also solute. You can take cooking oil, you can take coconut oil, you can take olive oil, any oil you take. Okay, now see this. I'll add in this because we don't have more. Okay, so now you take little solute. Always you take small quantity. Solvent will be more quantity. Always remember. Okay, solute will be small quantity. Solvent will be more quantity. Okay, now take this solute. Add in this. Okay, mix. Did it get mixed?
No, teacher.
No. See, you can see show from up also. It did not get mixed. And it is forming one separate layer. It is forming one
Separate layer.
It is forming one separate layer on the water. It is not getting mixed. That means it is immiscible. Okay, it is not mixing with the solvent. Fine, it is immiscible. This liquid is not mixing with this liquid. Okay, it is, in fact, it is forming another layer. Okay, so oil and water, they don't get mixed with each other. Fine, so this is insoluble. This liquid is insoluble. Whereas lemon juice, soluble. It got dissolved. Yes, it got mixed with the water. Soluble. And this is, oil is insoluble. Insoluble. May it be coconut oil, olive oil, cooking oil, any oil. Okay, it is insoluble. It does not get mixed. It forms separate layer like that. See, you can see. Yes. Okay. Then next, if you want, I don't have more, so I am just adding it. You take some pebbles. Okay, add in this and mix. Yeah. Did it get mixed?
No.
It got settled at the bottom. It got settled at the bottom. That means these pebbles are insoluble in water. Insoluble in water. Okay, fine. So now I have explained, right? So now what you do is, I want, who Chahat will do? I want Chahat, now these items I have, I want you to separate the soluble substances and insoluble substances. Which are soluble and which are insoluble now? What all were soluble? No, these solutes. What all were soluble? Salt. Okay. You put it in one line here. Salt, yeah, sugar, soluble, good. Salt, you tell also, beta. Salt, soluble, okay. Lemon juice, soluble, okay.
Insoluble.
Yeah, pebbles, insoluble.
Oil.
Insoluble.
Tea powder.
Insoluble. Very good. Understood, kids? Okay, all these are solutes only. All these are solutes only, but some are, these are soluble substances, these are insoluble substances. Understood?
Yes, yes,
What is
teacher.
solute, what is solvent, and what are soluble substances, what are insoluble substances, and what is a solution. Solute plus solvent will give you solution. Solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Okay, fine. Now, some objects, they float in water, and some, I want to leave this question to you. Okay, if you know, you answer it now. If you don't know, I want you to find it out. Yes? Okay, if you know, you answer it to me now. If you don't know, I want you to find it out. Okay, what is the science behind it? Okay, kids? Fine. Okay, now see here. Just, you want to hold it better? Please hold it. Yeah, good. Okay, now see here. We'll keep this aside. Okay. Yeah, take this. I added universal. Water is called what?
Universal.
Solvent.
Solvent.
Universal solvent.
Solvent.
Okay. Now see, this is universal solvent water. Okay. So universal solvent. So I added water in this. Now see here. What are these? Some stones, some small pebbles. Okay. Stones I am going to add. Now see what is happening. They got settled down. Okay. Then I added one leaf. I added lemon. Okay, you are understanding what I am trying to show you?
Yes, teacher.
Now see here, I took water in this, okay, and I added some things in that, okay, some substances in that. I added pebbles, they went down and they settled, okay.
Yes, teacher.
Then I added lemon, it is floating. Then I added leaf, it is floating. I added lime pieces, okay, they settled down, they sinked, okay, they
Yes, teacher.
sinked. So why this is happening? Why some substances are sinking and why some substances are floating on the water? This is my question. If you know, you can tell me now. If you don't know, I want you to find it out. Okay? Now see here. I showed you, yes?
Yes,
we can
teacher.
throw this. We can put this here. We don't have more water here. Yeah. You can add this. See, I'll show you one more thing. Kids, now see here. Okay? This is lemon I added.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What is happening to the lemon when I added, when I put the whole lemon, it is floating. Yes. And see the pieces of lemon, if I add, they settle down. Why this is happening? Why the pieces of lemons are settling down and why the whole lemon is floating? Why some things are floating on water and why some things are sinking in the water? Why it is happening? This you have to find out. Okay? You have to find out and you'll tell me tomorrow what is the science behind it.
Yes.
Okay, the density of the substance affected. Okay, so I want you to find me scientifically. I want you to tell me what is the reason. Okay, kids. So for now you understood what is a solute. Now you see this. I brought this Sprite not for you all to drink.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So this is Sprite. This is also a solution. This is also a
Solution.
In this, what is there? You know, water, carbon dioxide, sugar, and some flavors.
and some flavors.
Okay, 4 things. Okay, so water is the liquid, sugar, carbon dioxide, and some flavors are the solutes. So it's a combination of 1 liquid and 3 solutes. Fine. So this Sprite, I mean whatever the cold drinks that you drink. Okay, these are what? These are also solutions. These are also what?
Solutions.
Understood, kids? In this, gas is also there, liquid is also there, solute is also there. Okay, so sugar plus carbon dioxide plus some flavors and water. That's it. You think there are some nutrition in this? There is some nutrition in this? Nothing. There are no nutrients. Okay, fine. It's just sugar water with carbon dioxide.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this is also a solution. Okay, any cold drink you take, it is a solution. Understood, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this is fine. So you understood what is a solute?
Yes,
What is a
teacher.
solvent? What is a mixture? What are soluble substances? Insoluble substances? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Hari Prasad? Any doubts? Okay. So hope this helps you to understand and you remember it better. Now you will forget? Now you should not forget it. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
So all those who are watching, if my this small effort, okay, of trying to explain the kids very important topic in chemistry, okay. So if this has helped you in understanding, then please
Like, share, and subscribe our channel MTC-Mustafa.
Thanks for watching this video. Yes, and thanks for listening. And I'll be really thankful if you revise it and study it also. Okay, and you have to remember it for a long time. You should be able to explain it to the others, those who are not there in today's class. Okay, fine. So you should be able to explain it to the others. Remember it for a long time. And what we say. And I remind you again and again that exams are coming ahead. So please wake up early in the morning and revise. Okay, early to bed and early to rise, and this advice is for all the students who are watching. Okay, so early to bed, early to rise. Please stay away from all the electronic gadgets and concentrate on your studies. This is your age to study. Fine. Okay, this is your age to study, that you should make as your major work. Okay, you enjoy. I'm not telling not to enjoy, not to play, but during exams at least, yeah, I want all of you to focus. Fine. Okay, so all the best, and love you all.